How to create supplementary purchase invoice in Businet. Users can create supplementary purchase invoice against the purchase invoices in case debit/credit notes need to be generated for rate difference. And also users can apply other charges for third-party suppliers. Users will select the respective supplier and invoice number and click on Add button, and further they will enter the revised price, and on the basis of price difference, landed cost of item also gets updated. Further, users can also apply others charges, TDS, and can also allocate cost center against GL accounts. Once approved, the financial vouchers will be auto-posted in the financial accounting module. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.